Welcome to the Vitamins of Your Mind podcast, where your daily dose will support your personal growth and help you overcome negativity one thought at a time. Today's vitamin is vitamin C, control. It's to exercise restraint or to exhort power over, often used to regulate or guide. The benefits when used correctly are good order and discipline. We may not be able to control what goes on around us, but we can control our response to it. The adverse effects are when abused, it comes across as domineering. At that point, it's not leading, it's dictating. Our connecting point is knowing when and how to use restraint when we are in control. Just like the old saying goes, if you have to tell somebody you're in control, you're probably not. Self-check, reflect. Who or what is outside of your control, and what can you do to change your response to it? 3 things to remember. 1, we may not be able to control what goes on around us, but we can control our response to it. 2, the key is knowing how and when to use restraint when you are in control. 3, if you have to tell somebody you're in control, you're probably not. Thank you for taking the time to invest in your mind. Hit subscribe so that you don't miss the next episode. We value your feedback and would appreciate it if you would rate and review our podcast. Have a great day, and remember, your thoughts greatly affect how you feel.